Hello. Today, my sister will be showing you how to make a paper airplane. Introduce yourself.
My name is Liba and I will be making an airplane. So first, you'll be bringing these two corners to the center. Sure, everything is straight. Then the next step, you'll be taking this down. Step number 3, you will be taking this corner. You'll be taking this corner to the center of this. Make it straight. And then you bring this corner to the center too. Then you want to fold this straightly like this. So, last 2 steps. You want to bring this to exact the edge. Also with the other one. Now your airplane is done. Now your airplane is done.
I'll show him how it flies. Okay. Just shoot it over there. Okay, here, get up. And then shoot it over there.
Come on, bring the camera up.
Wait, okay. First, turn the closet up.
Now you'll fly your airplane. Thanks for watching. Bye.